Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. Written by Patricia Thomas.
Stand back,
said the elephant.
I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you, my friends. I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you better stand back. I'm going to sneeze.
Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and so strong, and your trunk is so long, your sneeze sends everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathways and trails, bouncing and jouncing, head over tail, tumbling and bumbling. Your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze.
Oh no, please, don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away. We didn't get back till the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours the last time you sneezed. Even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please, don't sneeze. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak.
Rock, the elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. Rock, we didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was as bare as a sheet, from his head, rock, to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacock's tails, and the wings of the cockatoo were stuck, rock, on the kangaroo. You must confess, it was quite a mess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle would make our feathers ruffle, rock. Oh, please, don't sneeze. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze.
Beware, beware, cried the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze.
Oh, please, not a sneeze,
said the bear.
That's not fair, I declare. The last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair, and left me so bare, I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Nothing so sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, now don't you laugh, almost bent in half, and the alligator's snout turned inside out the last time he sneezed. A sniff or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze, oh please, don't sneeze.
I don't suppose you could, hold your nose or wait a while?
Asked the crocodile with a sad little smile.
Oh my, do try,
said the fly.
We wish,
said the fish.
you would, if you could, the last time you blew off all our scales, from our hands to our tails, and our gills got the chills. Our skin is so thin, if you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please, don't sneeze.
The zebra yelled, Yaps! You'll blow off my stripes! Plus lots and lots of the leopard spots, and all the snakes will be tied up in knots. The hippopotamus said, And a lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze, so please don't sneeze.
I'm sorry, my friends,
said the elephant sadly.
About all this, I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it gladly. But I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a bit of a tickle and even a prickle. You must fly, run and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do.
Boo! Shouted a little gray mouse, jumping out of his house. He stood right up on his little tippy toes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. Eek! Shouted the elephant, jumping into the air.
That's a mouse! That's a mouse standing there! I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in a lake for goodness sake! Don't scare me! Please spare me!
Oh, Pooh, now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you? I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked, as sure as you're standing there. Elephant, think about it, please. You've completely forgot to sneeze.
Huh? Oh. Well, what do you know?
Laughed the elephant.
That's so! It's astounding! Confounding as I live and breathe, I don't think I really have to sneeze.
He began to giggle.
That's the funniest thing that's ever happened to me.
The elephant shook from his head to his toe. He ho-hoed and he ha-ha'd. He giggled and guffawed. He chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled. He sat down and rolled from side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all of the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees. And the stingers fell off every one of the bees. The bird's feathers went flying to goodness knows where, and all of the hair fell off of the bear.
Hey!
The giraffe bent in half, and the alligator's snout turned inside out. The fish lost their scales from their heads to their tails. The zebra yelled, "Yaps! There go my stripes!" While the hippo went thump right on her plump. Well, you know what. And into a puddle the little mouse went kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted,
This simply must stop! We're terribly glad you don't have to sneeze, but if you must laugh, laugh softly. Oh, elephant, please.